Hello, this is Flora from Zenshin Ikebana School. I would like to introduce these two arrangements which I just made this afternoon. So continually I create the flower for prayers, and so I still keep the cross in the water and also the coins. So but of course I change the water and clean out some old dead leaves. But this one is the Theothetatrum, which is which is sick. So the leaves turns to brown color, but I like the shape of the leaves, and then I think I can also took some flowers and branches from this jasmine tree, jasmine flower, which is now blooming. So I want to create an interesting contrast of this arrangement here, and then also make another line here, which create very strong contrast of these two different materials. And I use Kansan, but I hide it, with the materials. So I think this is the Ikebana for the prayers, version 3, and I hope you enjoyed it. Then it now comes to the next one. Do you remember the arrangement I made last time? Yes, it's exactly same materials, and I thought the roses couldn't stand firmly. It's getting heavy, but the flower itself looks still fine. So then I use it for to create the floating arrangement, and it's very nice color combination. And you found it's interesting that even you have same materials, you can use it for in another way, and it extends its life by your arrangements. So this is what I made for you this afternoon. So if you like my clips, please subscribe my channel, and we hope to see you soon for more interesting arrangements. So I wish you all the best and see you soon. Bye bye.